good, huh? Yeah!
I hear something. Yes. What was that?
Nice, we're almost to the big waterfall.
Wow, is that it?
Yes.
Wow!
You see it?
Yes.
Okay, you lead the way.
Wow.
Careful.
Coming from the top of the tree.
I know. Let's go up there. And watch your step.
I see the waterfall. Oh, you there.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah. That's not where it goes. It goes up here.
You want to go down first?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go to the bottom.
Okay. Then let's go up.
Yep.
Then let's go down. Hey, it sounds like I had a spider web on my face. I found steps.
More steps? Wow. What do you say, huh?
Should we go down the steps?
Wanna go down there?
I see Pokey.
Wow.
Wow.
Look at that, huh?
I see it's raining.
Isn't it pretty?
It's raining. Look at it, it's raining.
That's from the waterfall.
Yeah.
Should we go touch the water?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah. Isn't that pretty?
So let's go back to Mama.
Ready to go back to Mama Llama?
Yeah.
Okay.
So there's a little...
Tell the camera where we're at.
Where's the waterfall?
Right. Have it land on your head. Have it land on your head.
Another map.
Yep.